Hi everyone, you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pawar Pari All Rounder. My name is SS Pawar and I am an ex-serviceman from Army. I belong to a beautiful village of Uttarakhand, which comes under the Rudrapur district. Yes, my dear friends, these days I am coming here for walking because my old route there's a fear of leopard, and that's why I'm not going there. And just I'm following this motor route. I'm coming here uh, road by road, and sometimes I use to this walking, and sometimes I use to jogging. It's a very nice time here, very enjoyable time here because sun is rising on the mountain, and we're just in front of my village here. Yes, the road is going to the our nearby village, that is Shilgaon, and Shilgaon is our Gram Sabha, and road is ending there. And just I used to this walking from my home to that ending point. Okay, and dear friends, you can see here the Bear Mountains here because here is a very cold area, and where is a cold area the plants could not grow properly, so that here is a cold area and is a Bear Mountains here. Okay, and just I'm standing just in front of my upper side blaze. On top, that is Kot Bardar. This other neighbor village, that is Kot Bardar. Yeah. Now you can say this is a gorgeous, beautiful atmosphere here, beautiful nature here. Okay. The sun is rising behind that mountains, you can see. Okay, right now I will use to this walking to that ending point of this road, and then I will come back. I will return from there with this walking. Okay. Dear friend, you can see the temple of Dakhan Kali Mandir, the goddess Dakhan Kali here, and this temple is belong to our village because every village has a temple of Dakhan Kali, and Dakhan Kali mean the mother goddess is protector of this area and our village. Okay, and so many times we came here to worship the Ma Dakhan Kali, and this mandir is belong to our village, that is Garyana Badar. And you can see the stairs are up going to the our mother goddess Dakhan Kali temple. Okay, my dear friends, right now due to cold my hands are not working properly, and it is very cold here. Okay. I'm holding this tools. This is safety tools. Okay, and whenever I used to go anywhere, then I take it along with. Okay. Now you can see the monkey sitting beside of that toilet. Here are so many monkeys, and in the night they stay in this mountain, in this forest, and now they are going to the village area and climbing on the rocks. My dear friend, right now you can see the sun is rising on the top of that mountain, as the sun has already risen, but due to several mountain here, in this area the sun is rising from behind of these mountains, and right now the sun is rising. You can see this is a beautiful gorgeous scenery. Now gradually the sun is rising, you know. So right now I am going to back to my home, and just I will take milk from my cousins, and then I will go to my home. Right now I have completed approx 5,000 steps, okay, and 5,000 remaining steps will be completed in my whole day, okay. Right now I'm jogging and walking, not bushwalking, and going to my home. And dear friend, day before yesterday I came here to close this pond, and now it is full, and I have come to open this pond and will irrigate to my vegetables which I have already sown here, okay. My dear friend, right now I have opened this pond, and you can say water is going through the canal which I have been prepared. I have made two beds, one where I shown the reddish, there I have made this type bed, and another I have made you can say plain bed. Yes, that is a plain bed, and water is going through, you know, the force of water is very high, so I open slow water, and the water is going through each bed, this type bed. Where is a this type bed, you can see there. My dear friend, right now I have got this pumpkin. It was laying among the bushes here, and suddenly my eyes fell on this, and just I have plucked and to take my home for vegetable. Yes, it is a completely organic. You can say this is a completely organic. Yes, there are so many pumpkins maybe laying here because just among the bushes, and I can't go there because there are so many difficulties to go among the bushes. Yes, and right now I have found only this. I have got this pumpkin, okay. Dear friend, right now I am going to my home because it will take more time here, and I can't stay here for a long time, and I am going to leave here as it is, and water will go through one by one, will irrigate properly. There is no problem because I have closed the water from the main source, so that water will not come in this pond. You can say the ample water is available here to irrigate this two beds, vegetable beds, and right now I am going to my home. I am leave it as it is, okay, and then it will irrigate itself, and the already I have closed the water from main source, okay. Dear friend, this is, you can see, this is the organic vegetable, the green vegetable, completely organic, which has been brought from my relatives village, and you can say in our mountains the very, it is a completely organic vegetables, okay. My dear friend, the parcel I have received from post office registered by post. And you can see here written my name, Sadar Singh Pawar, and my full address given here. Now I am just going to unbox it. You know, every guys should remember that whenever you get any parcel through courier or by post, you have to make a video whenever you unbox it, whenever you open any parcel, okay, so that you can claim the damaged parcel, okay. This parcel I got from Delhi. This is the from Maruti company, and this HSRP is belong to my personal car, which I have registered in Uttarakhand, but bought from Delhi. Okay, and right now I'll go to Rudraprayag to fix it. Dear friend, right now the number plate, the HSRP, I mean high security registration plate, have fixed on my vehicle. You can see